Still, oh, he's gonna bring her up on the concrete, boys. Oh, the prop's hitting. Oh my gosh, did you guys hear that? The prop was hitting the dock. Uh-oh. Whiskey throttle. Whiskey throttle. Oh! Welcome to the boat ramp, folks. So the boat right here on the right actually has been here for about 30 minutes. They locked their keys in their truck while trying to launch. Oh man, that's a bad feeling there. You're eager to get out on the water. You got everything loaded up and packed, and you lock your freaking keys in your truck while you're trying to get your boat unhooked from the winch in the front. Bad day for that crew. All right, red truck here, they're struggling. She's gonna get out, see if she can do a better job maybe, or maybe she just guides him back. I don't know, we'll see. You're watching it here firsthand with the Big Dan Show. New to the area, but a familiar boat ramp to YouTube. You'll get it, you'll get it, keep going. Come on back. We're vested at this point, I'm not moving. Come on, man. You got it. Let's go. One thing I do like about this setup is they have each lane with the numbers on it. So if you're gonna say, hey, I'm gonna pull up in 3, go get the truck, you can do so. I'm gonna go ahead and pan out. Looks like we got like a Genesis or something up here. They're having a similar issue. Can't get her backed in straight. We'll see what happens. Red truck, he's got it. What is going on, folks? You ain't no better down here than Orange Beach. Don't go anywhere. I wanted to tell you about a giveaway that we've got happening right here on the channel. July 6th is the deadline to get entered, but you definitely want to do it right now. Our partners over at Magic Tilt Trailers has donated a red, white, and blue Yeti cooler, the 4th of July edition, right here to the Big Dan Show. We're going to have our other partners over at Marine Mat laser engraved the top. It's going to have Magic Tilt on it. It's going to have the Big Dan Show logo, sweet fish tape, all the good stuff, fully customizable by our team. The way to be entered, it's free. All you got to do is go over to magictilt.com, type in your information. They're not going to ask for your social security number and your bank info and all that. Just put your name, your email, your phone number. How can we contact you when you win? Put that information in, hit submit, either go like them on Facebook, Instagram, or their YouTube channel, and that's it. You're entered to win a free Yeti cooler. So I think the drawing is going to be on July 7th. We will see you guys there. Do it now. Good luck, and let's get back to the show. Slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Move it slow motion for me.
doing the old toe job. Wow. So I think this vehicle that was backing in over here belongs to this crew here. And they're gonna have to figure out how to get it on the trailer. If they were already having an issue backing in, now they got to get it up on the trailer in the wind, being towed in by a Sea-Doo. You'll have that. What's he doing? I don't know what's going on. It ain't on there straight, I can tell you that. Oh, slippery when wet. So while we've been watching this fiasco here unfold, it is nothing new in South Florida. They go balls deep also. They were able to get the truck unlocked, and now they are launched finally, fixing to get out on the water. I think they got it. I think they finally got it, and he gives us the champions. Yes, we did it. He's amped up. Mission complete. So we're gonna hang out, watch this dude dry his salty spray into the windows. Well, he got some groceries. He got some groceries. What's he got, boy? Oh, he's got fuel. Where's he going with the fuel? most of the wind is directly in our face. It's going to be more favorable for these boaters. When you get a crosswind, it is not good, but the straight on isn't too bad. So we'll see how it goes here. Can he get it? That thing sounds mean though, boy. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? He's like, you want to get here? Nah, bruh. My truck and trailer's way over there. And the crew that doesn't even belong there save him. Why did he abandon the helm? I don't know, boys. Oh no. Oh boy. Never leave the helm. Never leave the helm. That is the golden rule. And I don't know if you heard somebody yell at him, but it was this guy right here. He yelled at him. He's like, no. Oh gosh. He's got it in reverse. His buddy's hanging on for dear life. Maybe it was a smart move to just walk it on from the get-go. Or he's gonna let the other guy run the helm. Okay, maybe it's not even, maybe the guy that was playing Capitano, El Capitan, maybe the guy that was playing El Capitan wasn't even the owner of the boat. What do you guys think? Uh-oh. And that guy there, he was like, hey! When he pulled up on that dock, lane 2, he was blocking it. He was like, hey, that's where we're going. The wind is no joke. Personally, how I would attack this is I wouldn't be right on the dock with the trailer. You got to have room for that stern to swing left or right. You know, boat steers like a forklift. If you're not a boat owner and you don't know, this doesn't steer like a car. Here they come, boys. Wow. Just takes a little experience, folks. A little bit of experience. And you too can do it. Well, they finally did it. All right, I'll stand. I don't need to sit down. I'm filming a shot right now. I'm about to put you on speakerphone. Guys, I think it's a proper time to say wait for it, wait for it. Guess who's on the phone? Tell them who it is.
For it, the Chit-cho!
Chit-cho! Miami!
The Big Dan Show is invading Miami. Oh my goodness.
Dude, yes. I've got one coming in right now. We're gonna see what happens.
Where are you at right now? You're at Pelican?
Yeah, 79, 59, whatever this is.
La 79, that's 79th Street. That's a crazy boat ramp.
Yeah.
Watch out for the snakes. Just gonna put that out there.
Yeah. There's a water moccasin over here eyeballing me in the mangrove earlier. Totally freaked me out.
All right.
I'm like knees deep right now. I'm not balls deep, you know. If I was launching my boat, probably be balls deep, but it's up to my knees. My taint has been splashed with water a few times. Oh, he bounces us off of one dock. Oh gosh, I gotta get this. Hey, I'll see you soon.
Go. Come to Black Point. I'll see you later.
All right, bye. Oh, he bounces her off of dock 3 there. That was Alfred Montaner from the Chit-cho. If you guys don't know him, he's got an awesome YouTube channel. Shoots the same thing that I've got from a different perspective. His commentary, his spin, his comedy. He's a funny guy, great guy. And if you haven't already, go over and check his channel out. It's Alfred Montaner, or you can just type in the Chit-cho in the search bar right there on YouTube, and you'll find all kinds of great content from down here in Miami. He is the local, the none greater than. So he is a pinnacle in the boating community down here in Miami and all over the world. So I'm gonna leave it at that, and let's get right into it here. Can they dock? I don't know why they're coming back. They're gonna be fighting just a little bit of wind here. They've already bounced her off the dock. Uh-oh, watch your hands and feet. Watch the rods. Watch the rods. Now he's gonna have a little weight to deal with from that sea-doo that just came in here. Oh, he's in gear still. Oh, he's gonna bring her up on the concrete, boys. Easy does it. And I think they're gonna be all right. Uh-oh, watch the rod, watch the rod. Oh, what a throw. Oh, the prop's hitting. Oh my gosh, did you guys hear that? The prop was hitting the dock. Uh-oh. Whiskey throttle. Whiskey throttle. Oh! Gosh, and he drives her right up onto the dock, boys. That is no way to treat the wrap in the Grady White. That is no way to treat the wrap. A little case of the whiskey throttle is a costly one here in Miami today. Oh, boys. Gosh. Oh my goodness. I didn't think that was gonna happen. Could you hear the prop? It was like the freaking prop was hitting the pylon. Oh, they rescued him. What a throw. Just shut it off, bud. You're done. Just shut it off. We're not. No, you're done. Oh my goodness, boys. Oh my good. Oh, we're in panic. He's in reverse. He's in reverse. He's in reverse right now. Oh! Watch your hands, bro. Good night. A good day. So this is what Miami is all about. Okay, got it. You know it, the Corona. The Corona. And you wonder why the people get so crazy at the boat ramp when they're coming in. Well, none greater than the cerveza. Oh, hell no. Hell to the no. A f***ing turd? Bruh, is that a... Bro. A damn turd is floating up here. Bro. Yeah. What the fuck is that? Oh, shit. Oh, hell no. I'm done. The Big Dan show is done. Nope. That's where I draw the line right there. I'm in the mangroves, in the water, and a turd comes no. And it's on my neck. That's where I draw the line, boys. The episode's over.